Hi, let me share with you this amazing sausage roll recipe. It's very simple to make and you can make this right in your kitchen. Okay, it tastes so good. Without wasting much time, let's get started with it. Into a bowl, we are going to sift in some all-purpose flour. Yes, you want to sift your flour so that you chop any foreign materials that may come with it. I introduced some baking powder and I grated in some nutmeg. You can use the powdered nutmeg if you have that. Yes, you can use that. I introduced some brown sugar and then I mixed this until everything is well combined. Then I went ahead to add margarine. You can use butter if you prefer butter. I did not add salt because my margarine already have some salt in it, and if your margarine or your butter do not have any salt, then you can go ahead to add salt to it. This consistency is just perfect, and I'm going to create a well. Then I go in with some evaporated milk and some amount of water. All the ingredients and their right measurement will be in the description like always. So you want to read the description to get all the details you need to make this, okay? Now that you've done this, you want to form a dough like this and we set it aside in the refrigerator while we work on our filling, okay? This is sausage which I have blended, okay, using a blender. If you have a food processor, you can use that. So I use this hot dog, okay? This is what I used and I blended it. And now I'm going in to add some grated garlic and then some onions. I introduced some powdered pepper, white pepper, and then black pepper as well. I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. Yes, this sausage comes with some taste. It is already seasoned, so I just added the pepper to give it some extra spice. I added some egg to also loosen it a little, okay? And this is the consistency I'm going for. Now our dough is ready and I'm going to spread some flour onto the work surface and I'm going to work with the dough, okay? This is going to prevent the dough from sticking onto the surface. Yes, just like this. Now that you've done this, all you are going to do next is to cut it into at least 4 pieces, just like this. You want to cut it into 4 pieces and we are going to work with each piece at a time. So this is the first one and we set the rest of the 3 aside. We're going to roll this out with a rolling pin and then we are going to cut the sides with either a knife or a pizza cutter. Okay, you want to give it that rectangular shape. Okay, so you want to cut the rough sides, okay, just like this. Now that we've done this, let's just go ahead and then put in our sausages. Okay, you want to be generous with it. You know, you are doing it in your home, it's homemade, so you can be generous with your sausage. Okay, now I spread some egg wash on the side so I'll be able to seal this easily. Yes, just like this. And I'm going to gently roll this over until I'm able to form something just like this. You want to be gentle and then you roll it all over. If you feel your egg wash is not enough to seal, just add some more to it and then seal this completely. If this is too long for you and you want something short and cute, then you want to just divide this into 2. And we are going to set this aside and work on the next one. Okay. We are doing same for the remaining dough until everything is finished, okay? So I hope you'll be able to do this at home. Yes, this up to this stage, you should be able to do that. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, you are always welcome. If you haven't liked this video, please do well to like it if you watched to this very stage. If you haven't shared yet, share so your loved ones can know what is going on. Yes, okay, so let's just roll this like this and we want to divide this into 2 again because it is too long and we want it in small pieces, okay, just like this, and then we are good to go. Now if you have a baking paper, you can put that in your baking pan. If you do not have that, just put some flour and then you put in your sausage rolls. add some egg wash to the surface, and then I also add some sesame seeds to it. Yes, just to give it a very beautiful outlook. And we are going to bake this, okay? All the measurements and the ingredients and everything will be in the description. So you want to read the description to get all the details you need. And our sausage roll is ready. You can enjoy this with some Milo and also some yogurt, ice cream, and anything, okay? If you watched to this very stage and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any video I'll post in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.